The factory edition FX chain guide was developed for hard enduro, Baja, motocross, and off-road. Its streamlined profile with increased coverage of swing arm mounting tabs and a large chamfered outside leading and bottom edge provides maximum rock deflection. The factory edition SX chain guide has been developed for SX and MX track riding. Its ultra compact and slim solid body reduces weight from stock. The factory edition number 2 chain guide is suitable for all types of riding, developed for enduro, Baja, motocross, and off-road. The replaceable wear pad works well in high wear conditions like sand, mud, and oversized sprockets. The redesigned factory edition number 1 rear chain guide has a large leading and bottom edge bevel to reduce grab in ruts and rocks. It has been developed for enduro, SX, MX, and off-road.